Hi! In front of me is Realme GT Neo 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this Realme. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down just a bit and click on display and brightness. Finally, tap on this switcher next to auto brightness feature, and after that, auto brightness is enabled. In order to disable it, click on the same, now blow on. If you want to, you can always go into tab menu instead and click on this little icon next to brightness slider to switch off or on adaptive brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!